Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Mauto channel. This time I will explain about 20 benefits of black grape for health. Wine is one type of fruit from vines that have many fruits. Grape itself is small, and usually gathered in a series of fruit. Grapes have many kinds, such as red wine, green, and also black. Included in the type of berry, wine is one type of fruit that many vitamin and also good nutrition for our body health. One type of grape that is popular and can be found easily in the market is black wine. The black wine, as the name implies, has a black skin color, and has the same size as the grapes in general. Black wine has a sweeter taste and is also fresher than regular wine, and tends to have a higher water content. In Indonesia, black wine is one of the most popular types of wine, and also has a higher price than regular wine. What are the benefits of black wine? Black wine itself has a lot of nutritional content, and also has many benefits for us. What are the benefits of black wine? Here are some of the benefits. Number 1. As the main ingredient of raisin production. The first, black grapes are often used as a raw material for raisins. Raisins are one of the processed products of wine, where the process of drying from the wine, so that the water content is reduced. Raisins are often used as a mixture of drinks and food, such as cakes. Number 2. Prevent dehydration. The benefits of black wine have a fairly high water content. This high water content can prevent dehydration or lack of water in the body. Dehydration itself can cause a lot of disorders, such as easily weakness, fainting, and also decreased concentration and memory. Number 3. Relieves migraine. Black wine also has excellent benefits for relieving migraines or headaches. So when you feel a migraine, try to consume black wine so your migraine headaches can be lost and healed. Number 4. Minimize asthma symptoms. Black wine also has excellent benefits for reducing and preventing symptoms of asthma and respiratory disorders. Typically, respiratory distress and asthma symptoms are caused by infection from dust and also pollutants that enter the respiratory tract. Number 5. Prevent cancer. One of the benefits of black wine for health is to prevent the emergence and development of cancer cells. One cancer that can be prevented by black wine is breast cancer. Number 6. Antibacteria. Black wine also has excellent benefits as an antibacterial. By consuming black wine, then the bacteria that will enter the tumor can be prevented. In addition, black wine also helps to kill bacteria in the body, which can cause illness. Number 7. Good for kidney health. Black wine is also good for maintaining kidney health. Some studies show that by consuming black wine, the health of the kidneys will be healthier and can also function optimally. Number 8. Can relieve symptoms of gout. For those who often experience symptoms of gout, such as pain and also excessive pain in the joints, then try to consume black wine. The content of vitamins and also minerals contained in black wine can help relieve and also relieve the symptoms of uric acid. Number 9. Good for digestive health. The benefits of black wine also have a high fiber content. Coupled with the water content is also high. So black wine is very good and important to help maintain digestive health and prevent digestive disorders such as constipation, hemorrhoids, diarrhea and difficult bowel movements. Number 10. Increase endurance. Vitamin C and also antioxidant contained in all the family of grapes, not to mention black wine, provides a very important role to increase endurance and also can prevent the body attacked by various diseases that attack the immune system. Number 11. As a good antioxidant. Excess and also other benefits of black wine is one of the fruits that have good antioxidants for the body. Antioxidants can counteract free radicals, which can increase endurance, prevent cancer, and also can prevent premature aging. Number 12. Heal canker sores. Another important benefit of black wine is to prevent and also treat canker sores. Number 13. Refreshing the body. Water content and also a little sour taste from the benefits of black wine is very effective to help refresh the body. The sour taste can make the sleepy body refreshed, and can continue the activity optimally. Number 14. Prevent anemia. Black wine also has iron content. Iron content is very good to prevent the occurrence of anemia symptoms. The symptoms of anemia are easy to feel tired body and also limp, dizziness, headaches and also susceptible to disease and easily feel sleepy. Number 15. Streamlining the blood circulation. In addition to preventing the symptoms of anemia, iron contained in black wine also has excellent benefits to facilitate blood circulation. Number 16. Can prevent heart attacks. The content of nitric oxide in black wine also has excellent benefits to protect heart health, and can also prevent heart attacks. In addition, with the smooth progress of blood circulation, black wine can also prevent the occurrence of blockage of blood vessels. Number 17. Reduces blood sugar levels. Black wine has a very good benefit for those who take diabetes. This is because black wine is able to reduce sugar levels in the blood, making it safe and very good for consumption by diabetics. Number 18. Maintain healthy skin. Black wine has a variety of vitamins and minerals, which is good for maintaining your skin's health. This can prevent the appearance of skin health problems, such as dry and rough skin, and can lift dead skin cells. Number 19. Good for keeping the hours of sleep and preventing insomnia. Grapes contain compounds that can help us to sleep according to the biological clock. This of course can prevent the occurrence of insomnia or difficulty sleeping for some people. Number 20. Good for maintaining eye health. The benefits of black wine for health are rich in vitamin A. Yes, the essential benefit of vitamin A is to maintain eye health. It can also prevent the occurrence of various eye health problems, such as myopia and cataracts. That is the benefit of black wine for our health. Hopefully the article on the benefits of this black wine can add to your insight. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.